The Refresh and Detangle spray is a 2-in-1 that both refreshes curls in between wash days and detangles freshly washed hair. It's a super nourishing, lightweight cream formula that glides through and moisturizes your hair, leaving it much more manageable, softer, and reduces frizz. It's designed to be a prep step and should be used as a leave-in whether you're refreshing or detangling. To refresh, start with this spray as your step 1. Be sure to unlock the pump first. You can easily lock or unlock by pushing the side button on the sprayer. You can either spray directly onto your hair or into your hand and apply throughout your hair, especially in areas that feel dry or frizzy. You'll want to make sure your hair is slightly damp and scrunch your hair all the way up to the root as you apply. Then diffuse your hair on low to medium heat to dry it. Apply the Refresh and Detangle spray to freshly washed damp hair from roots to ends. Section your hair and begin by detangling your hair at the ends using our detangling flexi brush. You want to make sure you always start at the ends and move your way up as you detangle. This spray will make detangling so much easier and help make your hair much more manageable. It's made with natural ingredients including coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, and aloe vera that help to improve the health of your hair over time. Our super nourishing Refresh and Detangle spray works great across all hair types, taming frizz and leaving your hair hydrated, soft, and shiny.